Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys are all caught up with all the episode builds. My name is CJ. So today guys, we are about to get into episode 8. Just got through working on the cab and actually finishing up rebuilding that Savage Yard motor, and I think it turned out awesome. So today we are going to get onto this frame. Like I said, I got a frame from my buddy named Officer Barlow, and I got a good deal on it. So buying what they call a 504 kit, and I will show you some pictures of this kit as well. I'm not promoting 504, they're not paying me for this, but this kit actually worked out pretty good for my application. Let's get into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you guys some bodywork that I had to do on the bottom of the door skins on both sides of the door. Like I said, there's no rust that I'm not going to attack. I'm going to have to get that canceller out of the whole truck. So I didn't want to elaborate too much on the doors and stuff, so I just want to get this out the way so I can show you guys some of the bodywork that I did. So let's finish up with the cap and firewall, and maybe we get to see some paint. So you guys see I masked off everything really good. I'm ready to go ahead and paint this baby. I already sprayed the back of the cab. You see how nice I pretty much blended that paint in. I knew it was going to be kind of hard to match up that paint, and like I said, pretty much everything as far as the cab, as far as the color, is the original paint, and I just basically blended the other paint in, like the bottom of the cab corners and the rear of the cab, and then I scuffed it up, and I got like a little procedure that I can make it look weathered as well. And you know, I wanted some of those dents. I didn't want to get all of the dents out of the truck, and that's how I wanted it to look. I wanted it to look kind of rough, but with no rust. So now I'm about to start on the firewall here. You see I smoothed out the firewall, cleaned it numerous of times, and now, you know, I'm basically ready to wet sand. Alright, I'm up here wet sanding primer, trying to get it smooth. It looks a little messy right now, but it's going to come out real slick. Let's see here, the squeegee. What you want it to look like that. See, when it dries, this is what you don't want. That you don't want it to look like that. Alright guys, so now we're ready to paint this firewall. I actually masked off the firewall and I actually sprayed it, but then I took it off, and I just want to show you guys how it looked after I sprayed it. And this is without clear now. I mean, so I think that gunmetal is actually popping already, so you can imagine how it's going to look once I put that clear on it. And I also went on ahead and painted the inside and the dash as well. The dash turned out excellent. I couldn't ask for better work for that dash. That's the back of the cab on the inside. The firewall looked very smooth. I like that. So let's start spraying some clear, guys. That's the back of the cab there, and I tell you, the clear went on very, very nice. I put 3 coats of clear on. And I found out really quick how hard it is to try to film and also spray paint and stuff. It just messes up my camera and everything, so that's why I don't have a lot of footage of me spraying the cab on this particular build. And unfortunately, I don't know why I didn't actually spray the firewall the same time I sprayed the cab, but I did spray the inside. See the dash, she gleaming. But I actually did go back and I sprayed the firewall as well. And sometimes even I actually would go back and I would color sand this, but like I said, it was no need. I mean, I had no runs in this paint, and she just shined. I mean, I could have buffed it. I didn't even buff it. After I painted, I just left it as it was because I'm not trying to go for a show truck here. I just wanted to get a rust-free truck, and basically it's a survivor, and that's the look that I was going for. And that's faux Tina. It's actually fake patina. And a lot of people ask me how did I do it, and it's a process. All of you guys remember right there when I actually did the soldering with the lead-free soldering on that quarter panel. You can't even tell. I think everything matched up really well. And the pictures in the video just does not show justice. It really does look great. I appreciate you guys hanging in there with me. All right there, crew. We are midway through this video, and I think that we are about to start going ahead and putting this cab on this frame, on this 504 frame. I got my buddy BJ. He has another shop. A lot of guys with shops. When you're in this business, you better have some people that'll help you out along the way. Because you guys know I mainly am a one-man operation. But some things that if I'm not too comfortable doing, I don't mind asking for help. It's good to have friends. It's good to ask for help every now and then. But he's gonna help me put this 504 kit together, and we're gonna put this cab on this frame. So stand by for that, guys, and I'll see you guys at the end of this video. All right, guys, here we go. This is the cab I got on the back of my trailer, and we're off to BJ's so he can help me with the 504 kit and putting the cab on the frame. So basically this 504 kit comes with all the cross members and stuff you need to get your cab on this frame. It's the S10 on the S10 frame, 1/16 wheelbase. And this cap comes with everything. It also comes with the front fender brackets, the radiator bracket, and also that's the bumper bracket right there. And so basically what this kit does is that it takes all the old cross members. You have to do a little bit of welding, and you have to take out the old rivets in the S10 frame, and then you put the 504 kit in certain places. And it's pretty self-forward, and it has very good instructions. Here we are with the hoist lifting the cab onto the frame. It took us approximately 2 days to put that 504 kit together, and then 1 day just to put the cab on. It worked out really well. And while I had the truck over here, I actually put that Boyd's tank in there. Same type of tank I put in for my 62 Chevy pickup truck. There you go, as you can see it right there. Perfect fit. We have came to the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so we can continue making great footage and great content, guys. And I want to bring you guys along with the journey with me. So hopefully you guys have learned a lot from this episode 8 and stuff. It's been fun restoring these old parts and stuff. I love doing that. And let me see here. I want to try to get it, so you guys can see me better. I had a big dark spot back there. So I'm up here just walking around the yard, guys, trying to do a little editing and stuff and finishing up some footage. So I've really enjoyed with this episode as far as the cab and the fabricating. It was a lot of fabricating on this truck because you guys The ones that's been there from the beginning, you guys saw how rough a shape it was. Most people, they have barn finds, but I got a swamp find, and that's the truth. I know that truck was in water, it was underwater. It was just so bad. But you guys see the process, and I'm not half stepping. I'm not doing it half butt. I am taking all the rust out. I mean, unfortunately, it's a little bit more than I wanted to do, but my trucks, whenever I try to work on them, I'm gonna make sure they're gonna last. So I hope you guys appreciate the hard work that I'm next week. I'm gonna let you guys see what we're doing next week. I'm not gonna tell you, I don't want to spoil it for everybody, but just make sure you guys look at episode 9 of the 1947 Chevy pickup build, and don't forget, smoke them if you got them.